subscribe button. Today, I will be going to show you on how to enable Beast Mode on your Galaxy Note 9. First, open the Settings app. Then go to About Phone. Then tap Software Information and tap the build number 7 times, or until Developer Mode is enabled. After you enable Developer Mode, go back to Settings and look for the Developer options. Scroll down until you see the Running Services. You can choose the apps that you installed that is not being used, then tap the Stop button. But do not stop the apps pre-installed on your device. Still on Developer Options. Scroll down until the Drawing menu section. Set the window and transition animation scale to 0.5 times and set also the animator duration scale to 0.5 times. Then go back to Settings menu. Go to Device Care. Tap Battery. And choose Power Mode. Then set it to Optimized. Then go back to Settings menu. Go to Display. And set the display resolution to HD+. Then Apply. Then go back to Settings menu. Go to Device Care. Then tap the Options menu at the top right corner. And choose Auto Optimization. Then turn on. Then go back again. Then tap the Options menu at the top right corner. Choose Auto Restart. Then turn on. You can set schedule that when you wanted it to be restarted. Also set the time of restart. That's all. Now you can go back now. Thanks for watching. Peace.